The world is fearful of a recession. Many countries around the world are preparing for a slowdown in their economy. And why is that? Well, it's because the biggest consumer in the world, the United States, is saying it wants equal and fair trade. The administration is essentially saying if you make our exports more expensive to your consumers, well, then we'll make your exports to us more expensive for our consumers. Central banks like countries like India, New Zealand, and the Philippines have already cut their rates, and I believe more countries will do the same going forward. South Korea announced a multi-billion-dollar package of emergency support measures to help support the auto sector, which will likely see a big drop-off in car sales as U.S. consumers will not want to pay 25% more for their cars. The People's Bank of China, which controls the Chinese currency, has continued to let their currency decline against the US dollar, which makes their products less expensive for US consumers and our products more expensive for Chinese consumers. The Bank of England recently delayed selling UK government bonds as they want to wait for a better time because of the volatility in the world bond market. With more than 70 countries around the world wanting to talk with the US about making a deal before they see more tariffs in July, countries like Vietnam are talking about buying more liquid natural gas and agricultural products from the US as well. Other countries seem to be preparing for a slowdown on the other hand, with Canada making it easier for their workers to apply for unemployment insurance, and Spain recently rolled out a $16 billion aid package. I do continue to remain confident trade deals will start to come through, considering the fact that the US is the world's largest consumer and many other countries don't want these tariffs to persist, as it would be devastating for their economies. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.